Hey guys, welcome to my channel, and today I'm going to be doing a few changes or upgrades from GMADE to my BOM. First thing I got is the GMADE GS02 stainless steel front underguard, and I've got the cantilever sway bars set, and the metal cantilever arms. Alright, so I've already went ahead and attached the skid guard, and you can see it right here. And basically, this piece right here protects the panhard rod and the steering arm right here, steering link, the upper one. And depending on how compressed the suspension is, it could also protect the bottom steering link. Alright, I'm gonna go ahead and install these metal cantilever arms. Here are the parts that come with the metal cantilever arm set. Okay, when you're putting the cantilevers on, make sure that this hole at the bottom is facing inward, and the reason for that is it's the hole that's going to be used for the sway bar. Right there. Alright, I've just attached one of these ball ends to this portion right here, to the lower link. Alright, got one side in. Go ahead and work on the other side. Alright, so the metal cantilever arms are now fully installed. Now we'll move on to installing the sway bars. So the sway bar set comes with 3 sway bars, soft, medium, hard. And we'll take a look at it right here. Alright. So here you've got 3 sway bars, green, white, red. Green is the softest, white's medium, and red is hard. So I'm going to give a shot with the medium and see how it goes, and go from there. So you see the holes here in the cantilever arms, that is where the sway bar goes. Both sides. And then they bolt up to the chassis right here at this hinge. There we go, sway bar is installed. So it's time to put this back together and give it a shot on the road. Thanks for watching.